Why do thousands of Filipinos eat food from the trash every day? It's a question that might shock many, but for countless individuals in the Philippines, this is a daily reality. The answer is both heartbreaking and eye-opening, because it's their only option. Let's talk pagpag. Pagpag sounds unusual, right? But for many, it's a term that signifies survival against all odds. It's a term from the Philippines that describes leftover food scavenged from garbage sites. This food is often discarded by restaurants and fast food chains, but for those in need, it becomes a crucial source of sustenance. Imagine digging through trash, picking out bits of fast food, expired meat and veggies, then cleaning and cooking them. This process is not just about finding food, it's about making it safe to eat, despite the risks involved. It's a harsh reality for many in impoverished communities. The sight of families, including children, rummaging through heaps of garbage is a stark reminder of the extreme poverty that exists. This isn't just about survival, it's about resilience, resourcefulness, and the will to live despite the odds. Pagpag has become a cottage industry. This means that the practice has evolved beyond mere survival. It has become a way for some to earn a living. People collect, process, and even sell these leftovers to others who can't afford fresh food. This creates a small economy within these communities, providing a means to support their families. And yes, it's as tough as it sounds. The health risks are significant, with potential exposure to bacteria and other contaminants. Yet it highlights the resilience and ingenuity of those trying to make ends meet. They turn what others discard into something valuable, showcasing an incredible spirit of survival. Former Manila Mayor Isko Moreno himself scavenged for pagpag as a child, calling it pagpag batsoy after frying it. His story is a testament to the fact that even those who rise to prominence often come from humble beginnings. So next time you toss out that leftover pizza, remember, what's trash to you could be a lifeline for someone else. This food, which we often take for granted, can mean the difference between hunger and a meal for someone in need. Let's spread awareness about this stark reality. Understanding the plight of those who rely on pagpag can inspire us to take action, whether through reducing food waste or supporting initiatives that help those in need. Follow, share, and let's make a difference together. By raising awareness and showing compassion, we can contribute to a world where no one has to rely on scavenged food to survive. To truly understand pagpag, we need to delve into its origins and cultural significance. The term pagpag comes from the Filipino word meaning to shake off, a reference to shaking off dirt or dust from food found in the trash. But how did this practice begin? It all started in the urban poor communities of Manila, where economic hardships have long been a part of daily life. The roots of pagpag can be traced back to the post-World War II era, when the Philippines was struggling to rebuild its economy. During this time, food was scarce, and many families had to find creative ways to survive. The practice of scavenging for food became more pronounced in the 1980s and 1990s as rapid urbanization led to increased poverty and inequality. Migrants from rural areas flocked to the cities in search of better opportunities, only to find themselves living in slums with limited access to basic necessities. This growing urban poor population turned to scavenging as a means of survival, leading to the rise of pagpag. Over time, pagpag evolved from a desperate measure to a cultural phenomenon, deeply embedded in the lives of those who practice it. It became a symbol of resilience and resourcefulness, showcasing the ability to adapt and make the most of limited resources. In a country where community and family are highly valued, pagpag also reflects the collective effort to support one another. Families and neighbors often share scavenged food, creating a sense of solidarity and mutual aid. The cultural significance of pagpag extends beyond mere survival. It highlights the stark contrast between the abundance of food waste in affluent areas and the dire need for sustenance in impoverished communities. This contrast serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of addressing food insecurity and promoting equitable access to resources. Understanding the origins and cultural significance of pagpag is crucial for fostering empathy and inspiring action. By acknowledging the resilience and ingenuity of those who rely on scavenged food, we can better appreciate the complexities of poverty and work towards creating a more just and compassionate world. So as we continue to explore the story of pagpag, let's remember the historical context and cultural significance that have shaped this practice. Together, we can raise awareness and contribute to meaningful change. ensuring that no one has to rely on scavenged food to survive. Follow, share, and let's make a difference together. By understanding and addressing the root causes of food insecurity, we can help create a future where everyone has access to safe and nutritious food. In this chapter, we delve into the process of making Pagpag food. While it may seem unthinkable to many, the preparation of Pagpag is a testament to the resourcefulness and resilience of the urban poor. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of how Pagpag food is made. First, scavengers, often referred to as mambobote, start their day by visiting various fast food restaurants, food courts, and garbage dumps. They meticulously sift through the trash, searching for discarded food that appears somewhat edible. This could include leftover fried chicken, burgers, or even pizza. Once the food is collected, the next step is to Pagpag, or shake off, any visible dirt or debris. This initial cleaning is crucial to ensure that the food is as clean as possible before further preparation. After shaking off the dirt, the collected food is brought back to their homes or informal kitchens. Here, the food undergoes a more thorough cleaning process. It is often rinsed multiple times with tap water, although the quality of the water may vary. Next, the food is chopped into smaller pieces to make it easier to cook and to remove any visibly spoiled parts. This step is vital for ensuring that only the most salvageable portions are used. The cleaned and chopped food is then cooked or recooked, typically by frying or boiling. Spices, soy sauce, and other seasonings are added to enhance the flavor and mask any lingering odors. This cooking process not only improves the taste, but also helps to kill any harmful bacteria that may be present. Finally, the prepared Pagpag food is served and shared among family members and neighbors. Despite the origins of the ingredients, the meal is often enjoyed with a sense of gratitude and community. It's important to note that while the process of making Pagpag food involves several steps to ensure its safety, it still poses significant health risks. Consuming food that has been scavenged from the trash can lead to foodborne illnesses and other health complications. This highlights the urgent need for addressing food insecurity and providing safer, more sustainable solutions for those in need. Understanding the process of making Pagpag food sheds light on the daily struggles faced by many urban poor families. It also underscores the importance of creating systems that reduce food waste and ensure equitable access to nutritious food. As we continue to explore the story of Pagpag, let's keep in mind the resilience and ingenuity of those who make the most out of their limited resources. Together we can work towards a future where no one has to rely on scavenged food to survive. Follow, share, and let's be part of the change. By addressing food insecurity and promoting sustainable practices, we can help build a more just and compassionate world. Chapter 4. Health implications of consuming Pagpag food. While Pagpag food is a testament to human resilience and resourcefulness, it comes with significant health implications that cannot be overlooked. In this chapter, we will discuss both the potential health risks and any possible benefits associated with consuming Pagpag food. First and foremost, the primary concern is the risk of foodborne illnesses. The food scavenged from trash bins and garbage dumps is often contaminated with bacteria such as E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria. These pathogens can cause severe gastrointestinal infections, leading to symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. In extreme cases, foodborne illnesses can even be life-threatening, especially for vulnerable populations such as children, the elderly, and those with compromised immune systems. Another critical issue is the potential presence of harmful chemicals and toxins. Discarded food may have been exposed to various contaminants, including cleaning agents, pesticides, and other hazardous substances. Consuming food tainted with these chemicals can result in long-term health complications, including organ damage and developmental issues. Nutritional deficiencies are also a significant concern. While Pagpag food may provide temporary relief from hunger, it often lacks essential nutrients needed for a balanced diet. The scavenged food is typically high in fats, sugars, and salts, but low in vitamins, minerals, and proteins. This imbalance can lead to malnutrition, weakened immune systems, and increased susceptibility to diseases. However, it's important to acknowledge the resilience and ingenuity of those who rely on Pagpag food. In some cases, The process of cleaning, cooking, and seasoning the food can reduce the risk of contamination. The act of frying or boiling the food can kill some bacteria and make the food safer to consume. Additionally, the use of spices and seasonings can add some nutritional value and enhance the flavor, making the meal more palatable. Despite these mitigating factors, the health risks associated with Pagpag food far outweigh any potential benefits. The consumption of scavenged food is a stark reminder of the urgent need to address food insecurity and inequality. Providing safer, more nutritious food options for the urban poor is essential for improving their overall health and well-being. As we reflect on the health implications of Pagpag food, let's remember that no one should have to risk their health for a meal. By raising awareness and advocating for sustainable solutions, we can help ensure that everyone has access to safe and nutritious food. Join us in supporting initiatives that tackle food waste, promote food security, and improve the lives of those in need. Together, we can make a difference and create a world where no one has to rely on scavenged food to survive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Let's be part of the change. In the heart of Manila, amidst the bustling streets and towering skyscrapers, lies a hidden reality that many are unaware of. Today, we bring you closer to this reality through the voices of those who have lived it. These are the personal stories and testimonials of individuals who have consumed Pagpag food. Cut to black and white footage of Manila streets, bustling markets, and people digging through trash. Narrator: meet Maria, a mother of 3, who has relied on Pagpag food to feed her family. Cut to a faceless silhouette of Maria with a voiceover. Maria: every day is a struggle. My husband lost his job, and with 3 mouths to feed, we had no choice. Pagpag food became our lifeline. It's not just food, it's survival. Cut to a child playing in a narrow alley. Narrator: this is Carlos, a young boy with dreams of becoming a teacher. He shares his experience with Pagpag food. Carlos: I remember being so hungry that even the smell of Pagpag food made my mouth water. My mum would clean it and cook it the best she could. It wasn't about taste, it was about filling our stomachs. Cut to an elderly man sitting on a bench looking at the busy streets. Narrator: and then there's Lolo Pedro, who has seen the city change over the decades and has his own story to tell. Lolo Pedro: I've lived through many hard times, but nothing like this. Pagpag food isn't just for the young, it's for anyone who has no other choice. It keeps us alive, but it also reminds us of how far we've fallen. Cut to a montage of hands preparing Pagpag food, cleaning, cooking, and serving. Narrator: these stories are more than just words. They are a testament to the resilience and strength of the human spirit in the face of adversity. Cut to a call to action screen with uplifting music. Narrator: as we listen to these voices, let us not forget the importance of compassion and action. There are countless Marias, Carloses, and Lolo Pedros out there who need our support. By raising awareness and working together, we can help create a world where no one has to rely on Pagpag food. Cut to the channel's logo and a message encouraging viewers to like, share, and subscribe. Narrator: thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Together, we can make a difference. Cut to serene footage of Manila at sunset, with soft, reflective music playing in the background. Narrator: as we come to the end of our journey exploring Pagpag food, we are left with a mix of emotions. We've uncovered the origins of this practice, delved into the process of making Pagpag food, and understood the severe health implications it carries. Cut to brief clips from each previous scene: the origins, the process, and health implications. Narrator: but perhaps most importantly, we've heard the heartfelt stories of individuals who rely on Pagpag food for survival. These personal testimonials have put a human face on an issue that is often hidden from the public eye. Cut to a split screen of Maria, Carlos, and Lolo Pedro's silhouettes. Narrator: Maria's struggle to feed her family, Carlos's childhood dreams amidst hunger, and Lolo Pedro's reflections on the changing times each highlight the resilience and strength of those facing adversity. Cut to a scene of people coming together, sharing food and supporting each other. Narrator: Pagpag food is more than just a meal. It's a symbol of survival and a stark reminder of the inequalities that exist in our world. While it fills empty stomachs, it also calls us to action. It urges us to show compassion, to raise awareness, and to work towards a future where no one has to rely on such means to survive. Cut to a hopeful sunrise over Manila. Narrator. The journey doesn't end here. By sharing these stories and spreading awareness, we can contribute to meaningful change. Let us strive for a world where every person has access to safe, nutritious food and the dignity that comes with it. Cut to the channel's logo and a message encouraging viewers to take action. Narrator. Thank you for joining us on this important exploration. Remember, your voice and actions matter. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Together, we can make a difference. Fade out with uplifting music.